What's up, guys? Doing a few videos today. That's why you might see me in the same t-shirt but released at different times. I'll fully admit that. Had to replace a brake light on my wife's car today. Easy fucking job, but I have not been to Advanced Auto Parts in years. Probably, I don't know, 10 years. So I wanted to see what kind of tools they had. And I walked around. They don't have a huge selection, and I mean the shit is overpriced. Really overpriced. But I picked up a few things nonetheless. I picked up this 1/4 inch offset ratchet by Autocraft. 72 tooth. I think it was $15. Now, I don't have an offset. I figured it's offset so you don't smash your knuckles or something when you're getting in close, or you know, if you gotta get in close somewhere. Thought I'd give it a try. The one I'm actually more excited about is the $3 offset one I got, which is Toolworks, $3. It actually doesn't sound too bad, you know, but for a $3 tool, I'm not expecting a lot. I just thought it'd be cool to try out. And then the last thing I got there is this Autocraft 1/2 inch metric. Now they sell this with the metric and SAE, both with the ratchet. The ratchet is, you know, could be metric, I don't know, but it's been sitting there a while, has shit on it. There it is, pretty big and beefy. I just thought it'd be cool to test out, try out. So yeah, that's my little story. I'm gonna try out these Autocrafts when I get a chance, you know. I don't do a lot of work, but see, sockets go from 8mm, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18, 19, 22. They are stamped, not real deep. I think this was $30, 36 actually. Expensive as fuck, but I just want to try this out, really. I liked the grip on it. There's better options out there though. I just thought it'd be something different to test out. Tools from there. Like I said, I think I'm most excited for the $3 ratchet. Oh, and then they have this Tech Correct. I got these angled pliers. I don't have a pair of these. I think these were $6. Again, just wanted to test this stuff out, you know, see how it holds up, see what I can use it for. Yeah, it doesn't seem too bad for, I don't know, just thought it'd be cool. Alright, catch you guys later.